and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, where we have a special treat for you, and you're going to have to stay tuned until the end to see one of the most magical views in New York City. And before then, be sure to like, subscribe, send this to a friend who you think might be looking to relocate to New York City, because as always, we at the Wheelock team love to be your real estate team of choice. So, we are at 1 Morton Square. We are in the heart of the West Village, has 142 units. It's 14 stories tall, and this is a really, really special building. And I'm so excited because Gil is upstairs and he's gonna show us why this spot is so special. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's go.
Come on in.
Hi, Gil!
Hey, welcome to apartment L6BE.
Thank you.
So
oh my
you
gosh,
walk
I'm so
into
excited.
this beautiful foyer with this custom-made wall that is concealing all kinds of interesting storage.
Oh my gosh.
There's a utility closet, there's a coat closet over here. Everything is beautifully outfitted with lighting and everything. And the ceiling may seem a little low for a loft, but it's because they moved all the air conditioning above the hallway and the foyer so that when you come into your principal rooms, you have this, I think they call it the Cinderella effect or something, where the ceilings pop up, you know,
Yeah.
so it gives the place a sense of scale and appropriateness. So you have this
That's
beautiful curved wall which leads into your living room, dining room area. The floor is a slate style tile. All the floors were redone. It's herringbone oak. And then this leads you from the public area of the apartment into the private areas of the apartment. So the first room we come upon is the full bath. If you peek into the bathroom, you'll see that along the back wall of the shower, there's no partial tile. Everything is a full tile. So there's incredible attention to detail. All the doors here are pocket doors, so there's no door swings into your rooms, and that maximizes the utility of each room. So over here is the child's bedroom. It's facing south into the building's common garden, so it's very quiet and very bright. They did these overlay closet doors, full height, and you can see up here is where the HVAC is, and it's absolutely silent.
And this is the 11 and a half?
11 and change ceilings, yeah.
That's great.
So they took out the units that typically are under the windows and noisy, put them up in the ceiling and made them quiet and more efficient and more beautiful. This is the third bedroom and den. So for them, it's a convertible sofa, a workspace. In this room, they did a wider pocket door, not only because they planned on using this room as a den, but also so it's opposite the windows and it brings a maximum of light into the center of the apartment, which they really wanted that feeling of natural light throughout the whole space. So that was very nice. In the master bedroom, again, you're facing south, and in the back where it's nice and quiet, there's some custom built-ins with custom furniture to match. All the controls for the lighting and everything are next to the bed, at the door, and capable on your phone. They created this little clear-story window here so that even when you're in the bathroom, which is an interior room, you get a nice amount of light from the window opposite. And then this leads you to the closet and dressing area. So there's a really wonderful closet.
Yeah, this is great.
Every single inch of storage they could capture, they did. And you're standing in front of their home dry cleaning machine. It's a clothing freshener.
Dry cleaning at home.
Yeah, amazing master bath with a soaking tub, beautifully executed. The book match marble is really beautiful behind the tub there. And then there's a shower, like a separate compartment for the water closet.
All right, so this has a bunch of doors in it, doesn't it?
Yes, this apartment, storage was paramount. So because they were beginning a family, they wanted to have a lot of storage and a lot of storage choices. So all these things that look like wall panels actually open. This has a special heavyweight shelf that holds a, whatever it is, 20-gallon water bottle. So you can have your water bottle and your extra ones down there. There's storage above this here for whatever you need. There's these pullouts here, which are kind of brilliantly concealed
Oh my
for
gosh.
kitchen stuff. So you have a pantry, you have one for additional dishes and stuff like that. Bedrooms.
It's amazing.
So, yeah, and then the kitchen also was a big, priority put on storage. The original kitchen ended here, so the refrigerator was here. They extended to make this oversized island, tons of drawers back here. There are 3 ovens, a gas range oven here, a microwave convection oven, and a steam oven, which they said they didn't know they needed it, but now they need it.
I love it.
This is your fridge, of course, and freezer, and all the appliances are meterless, so you only need one phone number to get a repair person if you ever need it. And then all this is storage up here too. So for you and I, it's easy, but for other people, they need a step stool. I told them I would buy them a step stool as a housewarming present.
I love it.
And then again, up here is all storage here. This is a wine cooler. You'll notice only some of the shelves are lit. That's because the wine cooler only lights the shelves that have bottles on them, which is kind of amazing. And then this is a really fun feature. The people who are helping us set up the apartment really love this, but this is what we call the AM PM bar, or the mom and dad bar, the family bar versus the mom and dad bar. So this is, where you can set up your coffee in the morning, have your cappuccino machine and everything, and then at night when the kids go to bed, you can slide the wall over and have a cocktail bar.
This might be my favorite feature ever in a home.
Isn't it incredible?
Yeah.
It's really great. So
I love it.
Then underneath all here is storage. Underneath the windows are all storage. This is a library ladder. Right now this is a display, but if you wanted to actually have useful things up there, you could have that. And then that brings us around to the stairs, which bring us up to the roof deck, which we can get up to.
Yay! This is amazing!
Isn't it? It's like the whole of the world up here.
I'm not leaving.
Yeah. Well, all you need is $9 million and you're in.
There we go. Help a sister out.
This is the incredible roof deck for this apartment. And what they wanted was a roof deck that they could literally live on. So they have a fully outfitted kitchen. There's an electric grill, because gas grills are illegal. These pergolas, which these ceiling panels slide over if you need more shade. Today would be a good day for that. And there's a fridge inside because the electric capacity only allowed them to have enough electric for an electric grill that's really hot. But so there's a little refrigerator inside and there's an ice chest out here. But it's a fully outfitted kitchen. Beautiful furniture that's all rated for hurricane safety.
I was going to say, you said that these were hurricane.
Yeah, these are what they use like on hotel roof, entertaining spaces. They, did the floor with, I believe this is Ipe, and then the tile. So it's nicely done with kind of different textures. The banquette was customized, all outdoor fabric, but we also have custom covers for everything. So if you're not going to be here for a little while, you cover it up and it stays well.
This is spectacular.
Yeah, it's really lovely. I could stay here too.
Yeah.
Should we order it?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it.
Bye. I'm just kidding. So there's a powder room when you enter.
Right, which has really, really amazing computer-generated wallpaper. So the pattern actually goes over the door frames and onto the doors and then reveals so that it's always a continuous pattern. And very cool, very spacey. And then that also conceals the laundry room, which is behind the powder room. So it's right there when you need it, but when you have company, nobody can see it.
And it's a beautiful wallpaper to cover it.
Oh yeah,
which is great.
Yeah, it's really a fun little room. It's kind of the only room that has a little different color palette than the rest of the apartment.
Okay, Gil, thank you so much. This was absolutely fantastic. I am obsessed with how serene this home is and how much it feels like an actual home in the heart of Manhattan.
Oh yeah, in the heart of Greenwich Village. Well, it's been a real pleasure to walk around with you and give you the story of this incredible apartment and see how enthusiastic you are. And I think it is a great place. It's so unique and so wonderful. And I look forward to seeing you more with some customers to buy the place.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
For now, we'll say goodbye and close up the apartment.
Have a great day.
All right, so as we sat up there, it is super quiet. As you can tell right here, we are by the highway, but the best thing is the apartment is quiet and inside. And if you liked this, I'm sure you did, please reach out, share this, send it to a friend. I would love to take you with Gil so that we can go see it again. All right, guys, have a good one. Fly away.
We're roommates.
Oh.